It's just on sunrise now, a night of utterly relentless bombardments. I cannot stop thinking about the 1.8 million people here in the south. I don't think there was more than a 5 or 10 minute period throughout the course of the night, and I really didn't sleep, where something wasn't flying overhead or the sky being lit up. And the 1.8 million people in the south. I spend my days in Khan Yunis. It is mattress next to mattress, person next to person, 10,000 people in that shelter, 20,000 in that shelter, 500 sleeping outside. And of these bombardments, such is the tight-knit pack of mums and children and families that I can't imagine how it would seem to me that everything that's blasted off, I pretend no military expertise, but it all must hit something, someone. I mean, I think I fell asleep about 20 minutes before the sunrise, but I was woken anyway. Oof, there it goes again. I was woken anyway by birds bashing into my window, just consistently. You know, just on the window with their beaks. And I guess they're just trying to escape the noise. I think everyone would like to escape the noise and everything that comes with it.